Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the Brazil FX trading. So in today's episode, I'm going to teach you two profitable price action forex patterns that have been trading for quite a long period of time and they are very profitable. Traders, make sure to watch this video from the start to the end. Probably by the end of the video, you apply these same forex patterns to your trading system. If you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe and let's get started with this video. So traders, the reason why I love to trade the forex patterns is because they tell you when to buy and when to sell in the forex market, and that is one of the sweetest things when it comes to trading forex patterns. And also the take profit and stop loss is simplified when it comes to trading this. So let me show you. So I've been trading GBP for quite a period of time, and you can see I have one pattern right here and another pattern right here. You see traders. So before even you go there, let me show you what really the double top and the double bottom is. So when I come to my forex chart pattern book, this one right here, they have laid out the double top and double bottom for us very well. So anytime when you have a double top, it means price has been coming up in an uptrend. The price has been coming up in an uptrend, and it formed resistance at number one, and it came back down to number two to find support. And then when it went back to number three to try and break this level, it was more of a resistance, and price respected it and came back down. Hence, in this way, price giving us a double top. So you can see our double top right here, traders. Now, how do you trade a double top? You can look for a double top on most of the time frames, but I prefer trading it on 1 hour time frame and probably the 4 hour time frame, because when we look for these on higher time frames, we are looking at making so many pips, risking very less. I'll even give an example right here. You can see, so we are looking to make a take profit of almost 215 pips, and the stop loss was 110 pips, as you can see, guys. But remember, you're given two stop losses. So the first take profit you measure between this level right here and this level right here, and then you measure your stop loss after price has broken out and retested. So probably you see this red line right here. This can be your stop loss. This one right here. Then also the one down here can be your stop loss, which is quite a lot, but again, depending on how much you're making, it's way better. So that is our double top. Then the double bottom is down here. So you can see the double bottom is more of the W. Again, here price is coming down, finding support right here, comes back to number two. That's why it finds resistance, and then it comes back to number three to try and break this part right here. Because remember, whenever you have a support or resistance, price wants to break any of those parts. So hence price doing this, it gives us a W. The W indicates that price is going to reverse, go back to the upper side. So we want to see a breakout and retest and then push to the upper side. So when I come here to the real market, as you can see, we had the double bottom. Price comes, gives us number two, number three, number one, number two, number three, hence giving a W, or what you call a double bottom. Then when price breaks and retests, we always take our trade after the retest, or sometimes when price has broken and it's quite over a centimeter away from our price. So the yellow line indicates our entry, the red line indicates our stop loss, and also this other red line indicates our second stop loss, as you can see. Then the target you measure between number two and number one right here, that is our target. So traders, now when you come to our live chart, this is our live chart. The first thing you need to understand, forex patterns only happen when price is going to reverse. Mostly when you're talking about the double top and the double bottom. So, and I was lucky enough to find these two patterns and trade them on the same pair and almost at the same exact time. So obviously you can see at first price was coming in a downtrend. You can see traders, a downtrend, and then price approached my turning point right here, or what I can call the psychological zone. So you can literally see a formation of a nice structure, what we call a price action pattern, a double bottom. You see this? Price reaches this spot right here, fails to break that, comes back up here, comes back down here, fails to break here. Again, price pushes back to the upper side. You can see traders. Now, we always have a neckline whenever we have a double top, a double bottom. So the neckline is always where price forms the W right here. So you just have to make sure to draw your neckline. And the purpose of drawing the neckline is we want, if price breaks the neckline, we want it to retest off the neckline. And this is what we look out for. You see traders, price breaks, retest the neckline, and then for us we take our trade. You can see this. Now, when you're taking this trade, I told you guys you can measure the distance between here and here as our take profit, but you can see here we want to take out the first recent zone as our take profit. So meaning if you have to take a trade, you take a trade exactly, probably let's say after price breaking out like this, putting your first take profit obviously around this level right here, and then putting your stop loss just there. As you can see guys, that is take profit number one. Then take profit number two, you take your trade exactly from here, putting your take profit up here at again a recent zone. See traders, just up here, putting our stop loss just like this. You can see guys, again I told you Forex Patterns, they tell you when to buy and when to sell. That is the beauty of price action Forex Patterns guys. Now you can see here you're looking to make 138 pips, risking only 25 pips. That is crazy guys, for your second take profit. And the first take profit you're risking again 25 pips, almost 30 pips, making 44 pips guys. That is so crazy. You know, this is our double bottom. Now let's go to the double top. And before I go any further guys, one thing that I've noticed most of you guys take for granted is you don't check economic events that are happening every single day in the Forex market. Like today we had heavy news that happened today guys. We had CPI. Where do I see all these economic events? First Bull is a platform that I always look out for guys. Make sure to always come to your First Bull platform. As you can see, it's firstbull.com. Then you come to the economic calendar right here. Make sure to come here to more. Make sure to come to your screen right here, and then come to more right here, and then make sure to only leave the red ones right here, the high impact news, because these are the same things that are going to move the markets so crazy. So you can see these are all economic events that we had. You see guys, those are all economic events we had today, and these moved the market crazy guys. You can see we had US IAP weekly crude oil stocks, and yes, these affected the markets. When you look at GBP/NZ, price dropped. You see, price has been dropping since morning, respecting our Forex pattern, which we are coming to. You see, but obviously, when you look at the first bull, you can see all these things, and make sure to always compare your technical analysis to your fundamental analysis, so that you can see if they are corresponding, so that you can be on the safe side, guys. So make sure to check First Bull, guys. I'm going to be leaving the link below this video. Either download First Bull on your phone, or you can use the website, but I recommend you download it on your phone. Now, our last pattern, traders, is the double top. Now, before even I continue, guys, I'm going to mention this again. Whenever these Forex patterns are happening, price is reversing at a turning point. I've already shown you a turning point down here. Now let me show you this turning point up right here. As you can see, so from one pattern, price was approaching another pattern, which is this pattern right here. And yes, this was a turning point, obviously, guys. You can see price failed to break this part right here, and then here it acted as a resistance, and then a support right here. You can see, guys. Meaning, if price ever comes back to my turning point, I'm always going to look for that reaction. And now the reaction right here, guys. You can see price gave us here, first of all, a double bottom, a reversal pattern to the upper side. Now price comes back here at the same exact zone, you see. And here it gives us a double top. Now a double top, you can call it an M. So things are easy here, traders. Price approaches this zone 2 times and it fails to break here, and here you can see. So what you do, you draw your neckline, traders. You draw the neckline just like this. Now the possibilities, sometimes when price breaks out of the neckline, it will retest just what you saw here. And then sometimes price won't retest like what you see up here. Now the two scenarios, when price breaks out of the neckline with less momentum, just like this, sometimes we see a retest. And then when price breaks out from here with much momentum, this is really much momentum, so the neckline goes as here, you see. That is where the neckline is supposed to be. So you can see we had a strong breakout. So sometimes prices come back and retest, and also depending on the economic events that we have in the market. That's why I told you, make sure to check First Bull. So here you can see, traders, price broke out with really much momentum. Now remember, whenever we are selling, we always want to sell when price has broken our support zone. This is what we are doing right here, see, traders. Now here, again, same thing. You take trade when you see the momentum build up. You see, you take the trade from exactly here. Obviously, guys, you have seen that is a Forex pattern. Take your trade, put your stop loss, put your target at a recent zone, which is there, right there, guys. You can see risking only 30 pips to make 93 pips, guys. The Forex patterns that are the only analysis where you're looking to make 100+ pips guaranteed, because you can just see everything in the price action, guys. So I've been trading these forex patterns for quite a long period of time. The double top, double top, and double bottom. The cheat code, literally, guys. They even a cheat code to know about. So I know most of you have had most traders saying, okay, forex is not about forex patterns and all these things. Yes, forex is not about these things, because the hardest part is when you're holding a trade and probably the price is going up here. How do you handle yourself? The mental strength and psychology display, that is what matters, traders. So if you enjoy this video, traders, apply these same concepts onto your chart and be able to make money, guys. I wish you the best, and make sure to get fast bull accounts. I'll see you in my next. Peace.